Good day, guys. Welcome back to this channel. Now, to those of you that are yet to subscribe, if you are yet to subscribe to this channel, guys, please do me a favor by clicking on that subscribe button, like, share, and also make your comments. I definitely would love to watch out for it. And if you are yet to follow me on Telegram, the link to my Telegram channel will be in the comment section. Make sure you go to the comment section, click on the link, follow me on Telegram. There, I will be putting out tons of information that will be useful in trading the forex markets, probably the fundamental aspect and every other thing. I'm about to put some information on the Telegram channel. I've typed it out. I'm about to put some information in my Telegram. So make sure you follow me so you get access to those information. Now, when we take a look at this GBPUSD, you all know before we take a trade, we would want to know the trend for that trade, and we can clearly see that this trade is actually a downtrend move. Now, if you have been following me consistently, right, you would have seen how I predicted this double top, right? I told you guys that if in case Bank of, what I call it, Reserve Bank of England, right? I think it's Bank of England, right? So I said that if the Bank of England increase the bank rates, no matter what will happen, GBP will fall. I also gave you guys that a lot of people will be predicting a bullish move because interest rates will be increased, right? A lot of people will want to, okay, they'll be expecting a bullish move. Then I told you guys that in fact, reversal will be the case. This is exactly what happened. Price has reversed because if you take a look at this data, you see that it was during that time when interest rates was increased, then GDP started falling hard. I told you guys the reason. Now this is what is playing out. So now you can see the trend. This is a downtrend move, and we all know the rules of trading. Trade with the trend and not against the trend. No matter what you want to do, never you trade against the trend. So this is a downtrend move. So what we will be looking is an opportunity to go ahead and sell, right? So today, GBP actually gave us one sell opportunity. I actually wanted to take a sell, but I did not take it. I took the sell on Euro USD, by the way. So I had to swap, trade selling on GBP USD to selling on Euro USD. I actually shared that trade onto my Patreon subscriber. So if in case you also need some, trade setup from me, become my Patreon subscriber, you'll be able to get, those trade setup. But we can see that this GBP USD kind of give us like a trade setup, and this is it. There was a correction today, right? And this is it. We can see it came to this trend line a bit, and now it has dropped. So if you take a look, if you take to this trade, at least you should be able to hit like 70 pips, which was good amount of profit you would have profited from. Well, this GBPUSD for this week, I am seeing a little bit of a correction. Guess what will be happening next? Another drop. So basically, this GBP is still on a bearish move. We've made for a minor correction again. Once this correction is over, which this correction is playing out, once this correction is over, the next thing we would expect or we would see that we would expect to happen is another drop. So GBP USD, one more drop needs to play out. Let's see on the 1 hour time frame. We can see on this 1 hour time frame, we can see it, right? Impulse correction here. We can see that this is a drop. I am seeing this as a minor correction. Guess what will happen once this correction is over? Another new drop. So basically, two lows will be taken out, which is this lows needs to be taken out, and this lows here will be taken out. So basically, sell is our target on GBP USD for this week. So let's see if you can grab about 100 pips this week, 100 to 150 pips this week on GBP USD.